Welcome to the Moorhead Titan Outlet store. In today's video, we are demonstrating a 1993 Versatile 946 with 7,201 hours. This tractor has 325 horsepower and a 12-speed standard transmission, and 620/70 R42 duals with 65% rubber, and 4 remotes and outboard planetary axles. The cab is in good condition and equipped with a mechanical seat. Thank you for viewing this Versatile 946. Interested in this tractor? Give our sales staff a call at 877-886-7010. Interested in viewing more equipment? Go online to TitanOutletStore.com. Titan Outlet Store. Guaranteed iron at a guaranteed steel.